In today's show, Bitcoin accelerates towards a $1 trillion market cap as the price hits a new all-time high yet again. Check this out. You can see the crypto market cap also at a new all-time high of above 1.6 trillion. And checking out the Bitcoin market cap sitting pretty at $982 billion. And as Plan B, the creator of the stock to flow model, points out, it is simple. In the old world, your money loses value because governments debase currencies to fund their warfare and welfare states. In the new world, Bitcoin increases in value because math caps the monetary base at 21 million Bitcoin. The new world is eating the old world right now. Touche. Also breaking news, Grayscale hits $40 billion in assets under management, which virtually means that they have doubled since January 1st of this year. Also in today's episode, Max Keiser unveils his massive Bitcoin price prediction and says that the US dollar is in a hyperinflationary collapse against BTC. That's right, Max Keiser, who is an early Bitcoin investor, says the digital assets parabolic ascent could ultimately take the Bitcoin price to about the $2 million mark. He shared this in a recent episode of the Keiser Report. Here's a quote. They're just going to keep printing, and well, you know, my Bitcoin is up 9 million% since I first bought it, and it's probably going to go up another 40x. That's right, Max got involved in Bitcoin back when it was only $1, and he's predicting 40x from here, which would take the Bitcoin price to about the $2 million mark. We'll be discussing this in today's show. And if you missed the memo, he recently upped his short-term 65K target to now $77,000. We'll be discussing this as well. Also in today's episode, Changpeng Zhao, the CEO of Binance, says, I'm surprised that Elon's so gung-ho on Doge, which is why they just launched a futures for Dogecoin. And Elon Musk responded, Tesla's action is not directly reflective of my opinion. Having some Bitcoin, which is simply a less dumb form of liquidity than cash, is adventurous enough for an S&P 500 company. Also breaking news, Binance Coin becomes the third largest crypto following this parabolic rally, as you can see right here. And Binance Coin now has a $40 billion market cap. Also in today's show, we'll be taking a look at the overall crypto market. Where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium Crypto News Alerts every single day, just like this. And today's episode is brought to you by our sponsor, BlockFi, the leading provider of financial products and services for crypto investors. Here's where you can put your crypto to work and get up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more. All you need to do is click the link below the video in the description. It'll take you here. Then click this yellow button that says sign up. Once you do, you'll notice a referral code already pre-populated for you to take advantage of this bonus. Have you ever wondered, how can I access fiat money without selling my precious Bitcoin? Well, check this out. They offer crypto-backed loans with interest rates as low as 4.5%. Crypto-backed loans allow you to access liquidity without selling your precious crypto. By using your crypto as collateral, you can unlock up to 50% of the value of such assets in US dollars. That's right, and they also pay out a 6% annual percentage yield on Bitcoin as well as 9.3% on USDT. So what are you waiting for? Take advantage of this today and get up to a $250 crypto bonus, and let's start stacking those sats. Shall we? All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV. Bitcoin has hit yet another all-time high this morning, touching about $52,900 as it accelerates towards a $1 trillion market cap. As you can see right here on your screen, this is the 1 hour chart, and just another day with another Bitcoin record. I love waking up to new all-time highs. Data from Cointelegraph Markets and TradingView showed Bitcoin reaching $52,932 on Bitstamp and holding 50K support over the past 2 days. Bitcoin was primed for further gains in the short term, analysts believe, with one area in particular capturing hodlers' imagination at around $53,600. Bitcoin's total market cap will pass $1 trillion for the first time in BTC history. That's right, as Plan B summarized right here on Crypto Twitter, it is simple. In the old world, your money loses value because governments debase currencies to fund their warfare and welfare state. In the new world, Bitcoin increases in value because math caps the monetary base at 21 million Bitcoin. The new world is eating the old world right now. Touche. I couldn't agree more. It is what it is. Fiat trash is doomed, and there's going to be a hyperinflationary collapse, which has already started against the king of all crypto. Now check this out. Grayscale adds yet another $1,672 Bitcoin. That's right. Crypto investment giant Grayscale added another $87 million to its Bitcoin trust. Data has confirmed. According to data from on-chain monitoring service Bybit, February 19 saw 1,672 Bitcoin top up of Grayscale's flagship fund, which now contains a total of just over $34 billion. In fact, check this out. Michael Sonnenschein points out that Grayscale assets under management hit $40 billion for the first time in history, which is virtually double since January 1st of this year. It's also important to point out that Grayscale Bitcoin purchases have cooled off in recent weeks, failing to match the size or frequency seen at the start of the year. At the same time, Ethereum purchases reappeared in February after a 2-month hiatus, which virtually means that they are very bullish on Ethereum, the second largest crypto right now. The move comes as the activity among institutions show no signs of abating more broadly. We also have MicroStrategy, which already owns over 70,000 BTC, confirmed this week it would raise yet another $900 million specifically to increase its Bitcoin holdings further. Comments from BlackRock as well, the world's largest asset manager with over $8 trillion in assets under management, also appeared to suggest that it was interested in interacting with Bitcoin in some capacity, which I covered in a previous episode. It's really about recognizing the benefits of owning Bitcoin. There's certainly the diversification angle, Sonnenschein told CNN earlier this month. That's right. So how high do you think Bitcoin will climb likely this week? Do you think we'll break that 60K resistance? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And before I break down our next story of the day, Max Keiser unveils his massive Bitcoin price prediction and says that the US dollar is in a hyperinflationary collapse against BTC. And before we discuss the latest with Binance Coin also hitting a new all-time high, surpassing $260. First, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market. We can see Bitcoin still up 1% for the day, trading above $52,600. Earlier, we touched as high as $52,900. We have Ethereum barely in the green, up 0.5%, chasing that $2,000 all-time high resistance as well, currently trading at about $1,930. We have Chainlink up 4%, trading above $34. Polkadot up 6.5%, trading at $33. And BNB now up almost 40% for the day, trading at a whopping $270, which is a new all-time high. All right, now let's discuss the latest from the one and only Max Keiser of the Orange Pill Pod, as well as the Keiser Report. Wall Street veteran Max Keiser says money printing and dollar debasement is boosting the rise of Bitcoin. That's right. In a new edition of RT's Keiser Report, the longtime Bitcoin bull says he expects actions from U.S. regulators to continue to inadvertently make the case for Bitcoin, which has a hard supply cap of 21 million coins. He's quoted sharing right here, the reason why Bitcoin is skyrocketing is because there's hyperinflation in America, and the US dollar is in a hyperinflationary collapse against Bitcoin. And the solution, as we've been describing by these policymakers, will always be to print more money. So that means that Bitcoin is on a one-way trip higher because they have no other policy solution than to print money. That, my friend, is a fact. The more the money printer go, the more valuable the king of all crypto will become. And now major institutions are hedging against this hyperinflationary collapse, and it's a sign of the times. He points to the 2008 financial crisis as the start of the spiral that brought forth that continues to fuel Bitcoin's ascent. That's right. Max Keiser, who is an early Bitcoin investor, started investing into BTC back when it was only $1, I believe back in 2011, says the digital assets parabolic ascent could ultimately take Bitcoin to about the $2 million mark. That's right. So there you have it, a $2 million long-term price prediction from the one and only Max Keiser. Here's a quote. They're just going to keep printing. And well, you know, my Bitcoin is up 9 million % since I first bought it. And it's probably going to go up another 40x. Could you imagine your Bitcoin holdings going up 9 million %? Well, that's a reality for Max Keiser, and he says it's going to go up another 40x from where we're currently at, which is above $52,000. So we're just getting started. In my opinion, we are still just in the bottom of the first inning. And on Tesla's $1.5 billion investment into Bitcoin last month, Max says it amounts to the electric car maker CEO, Elon Musk, going to war with the Federal Reserve. Here's a powerful quote right here. This is a speculative attack that Elon Musk is making on the Fed, right? He's already gone to war with the SEC. Do you ever see that clip where he's like, I do not respect the SEC? I know I shared that on crypto Twitter. He's already gone to war with the Security and Exchange Commission, and he's shown them to be venal and captured. Now he's gone to war with the Federal Reserve and says, I'm not going to buy back my own stock. I'm going to take your cheap money. I'm going to buy Bitcoin like Michael Saylor is doing. And now 500 other CEOs in the S&P 500 are like, you know what? That's a darn good idea. That's right, because Michael Saylor is borrowing money from the Fed for virtually 0% interest and putting it in to Bitcoin, the greatest appreciating asset known to humankind. So why wouldn't other S&P 500 CEOs follow suit and do the same thing? And he goes on to share, they've made more on their Tesla investment in less than 6 months than they've ever made in the entirety of their business of selling cars. Powerful words. And that, my friend, is a fact. To watch this entire episode of the Kaiser Report with Max Kaiser making these bullish predictions of a $2 million Bitcoin price, check the show notes below the video in the description. And also, if you missed the memo, he recently tweeted, I'm raising my short-term Bitcoin price target from $65,000 to $77,000 based on growing supply shock issues as coins are removed from the exchanges. My 2021 target of $220,000 remains. That's right. So he's saying in the short term, expect a $77,000 Bitcoin price. And by the end of the year, expect a $220K Bitcoin price. I got to give props where props are due. Max has been the most accurate with his price prediction. So I am anticipating a $220,000 Bitcoin price. And long term, I'm also anticipating a multi-million dollar Bitcoin. As he says, Bitcoin can 40x from here because we're just getting started. And before I break down the latest from Changpeng Zhao discussing Dogecoin as well as Elon Musk's response to this, as well as the latest from Binance Coin breaking out in a parabolic rally. First, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market, sitting pretty above 1.6 trillion, which is a new all-time high, with 149 billion in volume in the past 24 hours. And current Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 60.3%, and the current Bitcoin market cap is $982 billion. Now let's check out the top gainers within the top 100. We have Golem up 118% for the day and 181% for the week, trading at 59 cents. Dodo up 98% for the day and 214% for the week, trading at about $7. Pancake Swap up 53% for the day and 171% for the week, trading at $17.73. We have Ravencoin up 48% for the day and 159% for the week, trading at 12.4 cents. And Binance Coin up 43% for the day and 104% for the week, now trading at about $270. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day, shall we? Changpeng Zhao, the CEO of Binance, recently shared in an interview, I am surprised that Elon's so gung-ho on Dogecoin. This is why we launched futures for Doge, but notes that Elon Musk's Tesla bet on $1.5 billion is on Bitcoin and not Doge. And Elon had to respond to this. He wrote, Tesla's actions is not directly reflective of my opinion. Having some Bitcoin, which is simply a less dumb form of liquidity than cash, is adventurous enough for an S&P 500 company. And he also concluded here, to be clear, I am not an investor, I am an engineer. I don't even own any publicly traded stocks besides Tesla. However, when fiat currency has negative real interest, only a fool wouldn't look elsewhere. Bitcoin is almost as BS as fiat money. The key word is almost, and that, my friend, is a fact, because we all know fiat money is complete BS and Bitcoin is not. And then someone responded right here, why is Bitcoin BS at all? Is it too orange? And Elon responded, somehow a hash text file using ancient crypto can be exchanged for real goods and services. Amazing. And Willy Woo chimed in here, LOL, definitely 10,000x on IR beaming money between Palm Pilots and 100x better than unencrypted emails via a central database. And before I break down our next story of the day, Binance Coin becomes the third largest crypto following a parabolic rally and reaching a new all-time high, surpassing $270. Before I break this all down, first I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below the video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the crypto market. This goes for all 700 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. Also, some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including my daily letter, which could be found at letter.cryptonewsalerts.net. This goes out every single day to over 30,000 subscribers. Also have a blog I update daily, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button right below this video to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day just like this. Also, you can find me on all the major podcasting platforms, from Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Apple's iTunes. You can also follow me on Twitter to receive daily crypto news alerts. My Twitter handle is Crypto News. Yes, and for those of you active on Facebook, I do have a private crypto Facebook group. To join it, click this link, request to join. I'll be sure to plug you in. And for those of you active on Telegram, I do have a private crypto Telegram chat, which is uncensored. To join it, click this link. You'll automatically be added, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you personally on the inside. All right, now let's break down our final story of the day, shall we? BNB, better known as Binance Coin, a crypto issued by the world's largest crypto exchange, which is Binance, has hit a major historical milestone, becoming the third largest coin by market cap for the first time in crypto history. At this time, BNB's market cap stands at $38 billion, outstripping the biggest stablecoin Tether by about $5 billion, according to data from crypto tracking source CoinGecko. Binance Coin is currently trading at about $270, up about 47% over the past 24 hours, and skyrocketing over 107% over the past 7 days. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao noted that BNB has been setting new all-time highs, not only in fiat terms, but also in relation to the world's largest crypto. We're talking about Bitcoin, which he reveals here in this tweet. BNB not only made all-time highs in fiat terms, it just reached an all-time high against Bitcoin from a humble 0.00001 BTC per BNB. We have grown 480x against Bitcoin in the last 3.5 years. Many thanks to our community, team, and Binance Angels. Now, how many of you are bullish on BNB? Let me know in the comments right down below. He also tweeted right here, this has always been our goal, to grow a bit faster than Bitcoin, not overtaking it, but with so much effort we put in, we want to see it grow a bit faster. Otherwise, we should just buy Bitcoin and not work. And he also tweeted, I explained this in my Bloomberg Live snippet. BNB is a small market cap coin, should allow for higher growth potential, and carries higher risks than Bitcoin. That, my friend, is a fact. So stress caution anytime investing into the smaller market cap coins such as BNB. But we also got to keep in mind, BNB or Binance is the largest exchange in the world. And in order to use the exchange and to save on the trading fees, you must use BNB. So almost all the traders on Binance have that checkbox, right? Use BNB coin automatically. And every time they make a trade, they're virtually purchasing Binance Coin, which makes it even that much more bullish. So could you understand why Binance Coin is surging so much as their volume increases? Well, their market cap is going to continue to increase as well, especially with these type of parabolic gains, which we're witnessing in the market right now. Now for a quick recap, what I cover with you right here in today's show. Bitcoin accelerates towards a $1 trillion market cap as the Bitcoin price hits yet another all-time high, touching $52,900 here this morning. I also shared that Grayscale has now hit $40 billion in assets under management, which means they virtually doubled since January 1st of 2021. Also in today's episode, I shared that Max Keiser unveils his massive Bitcoin price prediction. It says that the US dollar is in a hyperinflationary collapse against BTC. Max, who is an early Bitcoin investor, says the digital assets parabolic ascent could ultimately take the Bitcoin price to about the $2 million mark. They're just going to keep printing. And well, you know, my Bitcoin is up 9 million% since I first bought it, and it's probably going to go up another 40x. So there you have it. And Max also upped his short-term target from 65,000 to now 77,000 and says this is in play. Also in today's show, I shared the latest from Changpeng Zhao discussing Elon Musk and Dogecoin, as well as Elon Musk responses, and that Binance Coin becomes the third largest crypto following this parabolic rally. So where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go from here? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right. And turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And real quick, before I go, I want to give a special shout out to our sponsor, BlockFi, where you can put your crypto to work and get up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more. All you got to do is click the link below. It'll take you here. Then click this yellow button that says sign up. Once you do, you'll notice the referral code already pre-populated for you to take advantage of this special bonus. Now they're offering a 6% annual percentage yield on Bitcoin, so you can literally have your sats work for you, and 9.3% on USDT. They also offer crypto-backed loans. You ever wonder, how can I access fiat without selling my precious Bitcoin? Well, crypto-backed loans allow you to access liquidity without selling by using your crypto as collateral. You can could unlock up to 50% of the value of such assets in US dollars, and you can get funding the same day that they receive your collateral, and you can get an interest rate as low as 4.5%. So what are you waiting for? Take advantage of this. Click the link right down below. Get up to a $250 crypto bonus, and let's start stacking those sats. And I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.